Have you noticed those Roblox rant videos taking over YouTube and TikTok lately? They're everywhere. Millions of views, thousands of comments, and people are making serious money just by posting them. These videos are simple but insanely addictive. It's just Roblox gameplay with a funny, relatable voiceover ranting about everyday situations. And somehow, you can't stop watching. This niche is exploding right now. I've seen TikTok pages that started just a few months ago already pass 50,000 followers, pulling in hundreds of thousands, even millions of views per video. And there are YouTube channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers and hundreds of millions of total views doing the exact same thing. Some of them are earning thousands of dollars every single month, just from these short, funny rants played over Roblox clips. Most people spend 10, maybe 15 minutes switching between different AI tools just to get one video done. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these viral Roblox rant videos in under 5 minutes, all in one place, using a single AI tool called Korpi AI. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any step. If you've made it this far, do me a quick favor, hit that like button and help the YouTube algorithm share this video with more creators who want to grow fast using AI-powered faceless content. Now it's time to create our viral Roblox rant video using Korpi AI. Korpi AI is one of the best AI tools right now for creating trending TikTok and YouTube shorts in popular niches with just a few clicks. Head over to Korpi AI using the link in the video description and create an account. Once you log in, you'll see the homepage with trending niches like AI story, Roblox rant, fake text story, and many more. Today, we're focusing on Roblox rant, so click on that. You'll be taken to the script section of the creation interface. Here, you have a couple of options. 1. Random script generator. Click Generate, and Korpi AI will create a random Roblox rant script on any topic. 2. Preset topics. You can choose from multiple categories like Roblox games, school, social life, and more. Each topic comes with over 5 ready-made script ideas. 3. Custom script. If you already have your own script, you can paste it here. However, for this video, we'll be using option 1, random script. Simply click Generate Script, and within a few minutes, you'll receive a randomly generated, engaging rant script. Once your script is in, click Next to move to the background section. In the background section, you'll find a variety of gameplay videos like GTA, Minecraft, Roblox, and more. Since we're focusing on Roblox rant videos, scroll through the available Roblox clips and choose the one that fits your script best. If you want, you can also use the green screen background option to add your own personal gameplay later, giving your video a unique touch. Once you've selected your background, click Next to move on to the audio section. Here you have options to add background music. While there are many tracks available in Korpi AI, do not use this music if you plan to upload your video to YouTube Shorts, as it may cause your video to be copyrighted. Instead, it's best to add music directly from the YouTube audio library when uploading. Next, you can adjust the speed of your voiceover. I recommend increasing it slightly. This gives your video the fast, energetic pace that viral Roblox rant channels use to grab attention. Finally, choose your voiceover from the list of realistic options, male or female, whichever fits your style. A great voiceover makes your Roblox rant script feel lively, funny, and scroll-stopping for viewers on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Once you've completed all the previous steps, click Generate. You'll see 2 generation modes, Quick Generate and Advanced Edit. The Advanced Edit allows you to use advanced features such as adding sound effects and adjusting the speed of individual segments. For this tutorial, we'll use Advanced Edit, because this is exactly how the top viral Roblox rant channels create their videos. Select it and click Generate Video, and within seconds, you'll enter the Advanced Settings Editor. Here your script is automatically divided into segments. Go through each segment and decide if you want to add sound effects or adjust the speed to make the segment punchier. Click on a segment, then use the options to either increase or decrease the speed. Below that, you'll see Add Sound Effect. Browse the available effects, preview them, and select the ones that enhance your script. Repeat this process for all the segments to make your video more dynamic, entertaining, and scroll-stopping. Once you've finished customizing every segment, click Generate again. Korpi AI will start rendering your video. And in less than a minute, your viral Roblox rant video is ready to go. Then simply download it straight to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
I'm gonna say it. People who cheat off your tests and still manage to get better grades than you are the actual worst. Like, bro, I'm over here studying my ass off, making flashcards, watching YouTube tutorials, and they're just copying off me like I'm some kind of fucking cheat code. They're literally looking at my paper every 5 seconds. And I'm trying to focus, but all I can think is, dude, You're gonna get caught. Just put in the effort. But no, they don't. And then they have the nerve to come up to me after the test and be like, yo, what's good? I got an A+ on that test. And I'm just standing there, seething, thinking, you didn't even know what the fuck the question was asking. You just copied the answer off me. It's like, I get it. We all need a little help sometimes, but come on. Have some integrity, bro. And the worst part is when the teacher's like, oh, great job. You must have studied really hard. No, they didn't. They just sat next to me and copied off my paper like a fucking parasite.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments section.